So if you're an investor and you're looking to purchase property in Irvine, California, does it or does it not make sense for you to own a rental property there? I'm Steve Rosenberg and I'm head of investor education for Mynd Property Management. And today we're going to talk about what are some of the things you should look at and think about when you're getting involved in real estate or you own real estate and you want to purchase in Irvine, California. Now, we all know that Irvine is a great area for appreciation, but there's a lot of other things that you need to know about Irvine that will help you decide whether or not it makes sense for you based on your goals and based on your strategy. So some of the things you always want to think about, whether it's in Irvine or anywhere, is you always want to make sure that you're talking to a team that is here to help you. So at Mynd Property Management, we have all the information that can help get you the right information at the right time to help you decide whether or not it makes sense. So some of the things you want to ask about is, what are the characteristics of the area? Is it growing or is it shrinking? Is the rent ranges going up or are they going down? These are all trends that you want to know, because if you start investing in an area where the city is basically slowly dying off, then you may be making a wrong purchase. Other things you want to think about is, what is the job growth in the area? Are more jobs coming in or are more jobs leaving? And you want to also look at what is the city trends as well as occupancy rate. So again, if you look at the information and you look at the data, that can help you decide whether or not it makes sense, or maybe it doesn't make sense for you to buy in that area. So the city of Irvine has roughly 3 million people, and the housing market is definitely a derivative of the Los Angeles metro area. Now, Irvine has its own entities and it's fully contained, but also a lot of people that do work in Los Angeles or the Hollywood area may live in the Irvine market. Also, the median house price is roughly about $851,000, and the rent ranges is about $3,500 in Irvine, and in the Los Angeles, Long Beach, Anaheim area, it's $3,200. So again, if you look at those numbers, if you're buying it for $851,000 and you're only renting it for $3,500 on average, this tells me that you are not going to make a lot of money on cash flow. However, you will make your money on appreciation, because values go up very fast in cities like Irvine. And at Mynd, we manage a lot of properties there, so we are very familiar with the numbers as well as what the numbers are actually telling you. Now, the unemployment rate is less than 3%, and there are very high-paying jobs in the Irvine area. So again, this is good information for you to know if you're looking to buy a property. Are people working? Are they getting laid off? Are they hiring more people? Irvine has a great employment rate, and the employment salaries of the people are very good, so they can afford it. Obviously, it's close to Newport Beach, which is a much more expensive area, so there's a lot of people that live in Irvine that maybe want to live in Newport, or they like the Newport area. Single-family properties have gone up at least 30% within the last 3 years. So again, this is telling you that houses are going up, and it makes sense to buy the property, again, as long as you know what the numbers are telling you. There's great school districts in Irvine, and again, this is what you want to think about when you're buying a rental property. It's not just the cash flow, and it's not just the appreciation. It's the combination of all these, and again, making sure that it aligns with your goals. And that's what a good property management company does, is they can help you be that piece of the puzzle. Like Mynd Property Management, we can have the conversations with you to help you decide whether or not it makes sense or it doesn't make sense to purchase in that area. So if this does not make sense for you, we are in 19 investable markets nationwide. We're happy to sit down and talk with you and decide which one is the right market for you based on you and your goals. So it could be in Tampa, it could be Houston, Texas, could be Seattle, San Francisco, Portland, Oregon, many different places that we can help you decide what is the right area for you. If you like this information, please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to know more information, go to our website at Mynd.co. It's Mynd.co, and there we can help you. We can get you all the information that you need to help you make smart decisions and hopefully be your business partner. Again, I'm Steve Rosenberg from Mynd Property Management. Thank you for watching.